Hi everyone, so welcome to another video. Today we have a craft tool video from Inlovearts shop. So don't forget to use my code ICED30 up till the end of January 2025, which will get you 30% off. If you're watching this video after that, then just use my normal code, which is ICEDImages, and that will get you 20% off. So yeah, so let's get into the dies. So some of these are Christmas dies because I did order these before Christmas, but I'll show you through them now. First up, we've got this one, which says Jesus is the reason, and I really liked this one. This is why I had to get this. I knew that I probably was going to be doing this haul after Christmas, but I thought, well, you know what, it's fine, because if you start making Christmas cards earlier on in the year, then it just means you haven't got to, rush to make so many when it gets nearer the time. So you've got obviously your sentiment, and then a little nativity scene in the J, and it's also got a shadow. So the whole thing measures approximately 4 3/4 inches by about 3 inches roughly. So it's just a really nice die. I really like this one, and I think this would be good for quick flat cards as well. So mailable, flat, quick, simple cards, but that look good. So I'll show you now what I made using this die. So with that die I made this card, nice simple, just Z fold, and I put the die on the front, and so I cut it out of white and then mounted it onto a gold piece, and then just hand cut around the outside of the gold piece. Actually, no, did I use the die? No, I used the shadow, didn't I? I used the shadow of the die. So yeah, so I did that. So that was quite cool, and I like the way that's worked out. Really nice die cut, works really well. So that's what I did using that die. Next up we have this one, also a Christmas one, and this just says believe. Now this is quite good because obviously this would cut out of your card, but also you could cut it out and use it to stick on, so you could do both. So you could actually cut it out of a piece of card and then use what you've cut out on another card, so you can make 2 in 1. And this just says believe. It's really cute. Again, you've got the little nativity scene there, which is really nice, and this measures approximately 4 1/4 by about 2 1/4, I would say. But yeah, really like the look of that card. So I'll show you now what I made using this die. Then with this die I did really simple, just cut it out of white, mounted it onto a gold oval, as you can see, and then just nested it up and made it into a top folding card. Kept it nice and simple because I just think it's just a nice die. It doesn't need loads of stuff on it. So yes, that's what I made using that die. Next up we have this set, which is obviously a set of like poinsettias, and so you've got 3 in total. You've got a back for each of the 3 sizes, and then this fancy one to go over the top. And I just really like them because I thought, you know what, you could probably use them as like fancy flowers, other times as well, not just Christmas. So the largest one is about almost 2.5 at its widest point. The next one along at its widest point is about 2 inches, and the next one is it's just over, just past 1.5, I would say. But yeah, just really like them. Just thought they were really cool. So I'll show you now what I made using these dies. So with the poinsettia dies, I just cut them out. So I cut the ornate one out once, and then I also cut the plain one out, and I'd cut that out a couple of times so I could put it behind the ornate one and then also have a separate one to put on, and then I just have a season's greetings in the middle, and if you want to write your greeting, obviously you put it on the back. But I love the way these have turned out, and then I just used some ivy leaf dies from, I think they were from Inlovearts shop as well, but they're from a while ago. So yeah, really nice dies. Really like the way these have turned out. So that's what I did using those dies. Next up we have this die. This is a non-Christmas die, and it says, I hope you smile today. And I thought it was quite sweet. You could have it on a birthday, you could have it on a get well. And this measures approximately 3 3/4 by about 2 1/8 roughly. And again, it's got a shadow to it, so you've got the actual die itself and then the shadow die. So, and I like the font because it's sort of quite a nice plain font. Could be for male or female, either really. So I'll show you now what I made using this die. Then with this die I cut the shadow out of red and the letters out of white, and I made this what I called a flexi hexy pop-up card. I did a live stream using this and I've put the greeting on the back, but I really like the sentiment. I think it's a really nice sentiment. I was in two minds to put this on with the heart die, but yeah, I ended up just doing it on here. But really nice die. So that's what I made using that die. Then we've got this one, which is thank you. I love the little kind of bubble writing it's in, and again, obviously it's a shadow. Again, it's got a shadow die attached to it, which I thought was really cool. It's just a nice sort of die, really nice and obvious. It measures about 4 1/4 roughly by about I would say 2 7/8 roughly. I mean, that's a very rough guess, but yeah, about that. But I'll show you now what I made using this die. Then with the thank you die, really love this. So I cut it out of the shadow out of white and then the actual words out of red mirror. And then the two little hearts that came in the middle, I just put them either side. And I've just made a very simple kind of Z fold. Got space on the back to write. I just thought it was really super cute. So there you go. So that's what I made using that die. Then we've got this die, which says happy birthday to you. Another sentiment die, but again, it's got a shadow. I do love my shadows, you know me. I just thought it was really sweet because again, you can cut this out of a card or you can use the actual items. You've got like a bow on the top, so it's kind of like a present. And I just thought it was rather cool. So it measures at its widest point about 3 1/2 by about 3 3/4, I would say, roughly. So I'll show you now what I made using this die. Then with the happy birthday die, I cut the shadow part out of the front layer. So that's the shadow part. And then I cut the actual text out of the next layer. So that's the next bit. And then I just kept that as a plain gold. And then behind that, you've then got, so you've basically got two cards stuck together, but I quite like just the depth you get of that and just the way it frames it. But it's really pretty. And then all the bits that I got left over from this I've kept and I'll use them on future cards. So that's what I made using that die. Next up we have this die, which is just a simple heart die, but I like the fact it's got all the little hearts cut out of the big heart. So again, you could use this to cut out of a piece. Obviously you would get the heart out as well, but you could stick the hearts back in. But yeah, I thought it was quite a nice little die. So it's 3 1/2 inches by about 3 3/4 roughly. But with Valentine's coming up, it'd be useful for, you know, get well soon as well. You use it for anything really. But yeah, so I'll show you now what I made using this die. Then with the heart die, I just cut it out of this red glitter and then mounted it onto this kind of mother of pearl paper and then just hand cut round it. And then I've just made like a split tent-fold card. And then I've used the thank you dies, which are from a previous Inlovearts shop craft haul. You know I love those dies. I use them all the time. They're so good. So yeah, so that's what I did using that die. So next up we've got this one. Now this is kind of a border die in that it hasn't got a cut line on the bottom here. It's got a cut line here and here, but it does mean you could kind of partially die cut. And then the whole of this edge is a cutout, and you've obviously got to have birthday. So it's kind of like an edge die, but I just quite liked the look of it. I think this is probably going to measure a good size for A2 cards. So yes, it's almost 5 1/2 by about 3 1/2, but obviously you can go as far out as you want to with that really. But yeah, just really liked it. Like the font, just think it's really cool. And you've got the little candles and the little hat, and it's quite cute. So that's what I'll show you now, what I made using this die. Then with the happy birthday die, I just cut it out so it cuts down this side, and then I literally just trimmed the bottom of the die so it is literally the size of what the die is. And then I've just paper pieced in bits into the hat and on the candle, and then I've just added some balloons of my own on there, some balloons I had already had, and put some little gems on, made it into this little 10-fold card. So that's what I made using that die. So I hope you enjoyed the video, hope you got some inspiration. Make sure to go and check out Inlovearts shop. Use my code ICED30, which will get you 30% off your order if you use that code before the end of January 2025. If you're watching this after the end of January 2025, then just use my normal code, which is ICEDimages, and that will get you 20% off your order. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Leave a little comment down below, tell me which one you like the most, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!